Cool, so this is, so it's important that everyone's looking. Cool, so this is our control room in our director's box. So basically when the news goes live, we have our directors, producers, pilots, quite a loose term. As long as they've got signal and the technology, we can be sent the footage in a matter of seconds and then play it out straight away at home. So I'm going to ask them. It's a good question.
No, I just interested.
It's all operated by the person. We don't have like any of the camera crew or the controllers. So feeling a bit dusty after a Sunday arvo, you can kind of sneak in here and no one will know you're in here. Any questions? Do you want to have? So you interested in? Cool.
That's all happening.
Welcome to the studio. Obviously, this is where the news comes to life. We have our weatherboard presenter, a makeup artist, and a lady or a guy spinning the auto cue. And the auto cue is the words that are not even there for some reason. But you get the jive of it. Any questions?